Distinguished lecturers, we are students of the Department of Physiology, Group 1, and this is our video presentation on the topic Discuss the role of logic in evaluating everyday arguments and improving human reasoning in contemporary Nigerian society. My name is Val Guluban Kolashade, the group leader, and these are my co-members. Logic is the systematic study of correct reasoning and valid arguments. It is a branch of philosophy that helps people think clearly, analyze information properly, and distinguish between the truth and falsehood. Logic provides the principles used in evaluating arguments and determining conclusions are reasonable and supported by evidence. Reasoning refers to the mental process of thinking, analyzing facts, making judgments, and drawing conclusions. It enables individuals to solve problems, make decisions, and understand situations logically. Reasoning may be deductive, inductive, or critical depending on how conclusions are reached. In contemporary Nigerian society, people are exposed daily to different forms of arguments through politics, religion, education, and interpersonal communication. However, many of these arguments are influenced by emotions, misinformation, propaganda, and logical fallacies. As a result, the study of logic has become increasingly important in helping individuals evaluate claims critically and make rational decisions.
My name is Eunice Aso, and I want to talk about why logic and reasoning matter. Logic and reasoning are essential because they provide a standardized framework for evaluating truth and validity. They act as a defense mechanism against misinformation and cognitive biases. And we have four reasons why logic and reasoning matter. First is establishing truth. Logic serves as a tool for understanding truth through systematic methods such as syllogism and deduction. It allows individuals to verify whether a conclusion necessarily follows from its premises. And second is social and personal progress. The application of logical reasoning is historically linked to the idea of modernity and social progress, moving societies away from dogma towards evidence-based frameworks. Number three is support fairness and justice. In legal systems and governance, logic and reasoning help ensure fairness. Judges, lawyers, and policymakers rely on evidence and rational arguments to make decisions rather than emotions.
Is Adela Jasemiat Yoruba. I'm talking about their role in decision making. Reasoning skills are directly correlated with the quality of outcomes in everyday life. Research indicates that individuals with stronger logical reasoning skills tend to experience better real-world decision outcomes. 1. Risk mitigation. Systematic reasoning allows individuals to evaluate do or die situations, while many decisions are made intuitively in extreme circumstances. Formal logic provides a structured way to weigh pros and cons and verify possibilities before acting. Problem solving, that's number 2. Critical thinking involves using logic to identify patterns and apply rules to solve complex problems independently and creatively. 3. Legal and ethical integrity. In fields like law, reasoning is used to interpret testimony and evaluate evidence significance. It ensures that judgments are rendered based on facts rather than emotional reactions or personal biases. 4. Improved leadership. Leaders in government, education, and business rely on logical reasoning to formulate policies and solve societal problems. Thank you.
My name is John Friday Adegoye. There are roles in communication. Effective communication in society relies on the shared language of logic. Without it, public discourse descends on misunderstanding or manipulation. 1. Promote expression of ideas. Logical communication helps people present thoughts in an organized and understandable way. Enhance relationship. Good reasoning and communication skills help people resolve disagreements respectfully and maintain healthy social relationships. 3. Persuasion rhetoric. For centuries, communication has relied on logos. Audience expect a speech to be structured logically and for arguments and relatable and easy to follow. Number 4. Detecting fallacies. Logic equips citizens to identify logical fallacies, errors in reasoning that can be used unethically to mislead the public. 5. Democratic participation. Democracy is fundamental for evaluating political candidates and complex policy issues to enable collaborative, non-competitive endeavor, where individuals together to find the truth so that justice can be served.
My name is Olawale Buforola. Types of reasoning. Reasoning
Reasoning can be classified into two main types, deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning moves from general principles to specific conclusions. If the premises are true and the logic is valid, conclusion is certain. Example, all humans are mortal, Tolu is human, therefore Tolu is mortal. Deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning moves from specific observations to general conclusions. Conclusion is probable, not certain. Example, I saw a Lagos bus driver drive recklessly. Another Lagos bus driver drove recklessly. A third Lagos bus driver drove recklessly. Therefore, most Lagos bus drivers drive recklessly.
My name is Karim Adema Korenike. Types of logical fallacies. Number one, God-Wagon fallacy, also known as appeal to popularity. This fallacy occurs when someone argues that something is true or correct simply because many people believe on it. For example, everyone is investing in this thing, so it must be genuine. But popularity does not determine truth or correctness. Many people can believe something that is false. Number two, appeal to authority. This happens when a claim is accepted as true simply because an authority figure or famous person says so, even when the person may not be an expert in that field. For example, a celebrity says this herbal medicine cures all disease, so it must work. But authorities can make mistakes, especially outside their area of expertise. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Jonathan Jorisoli, and I'll be talking about the types of logical fallacy. Firstly, I'll be talking about hasty generalization. This occurs when a conclusion is made from insufficient or limited evidence. For example, I met two taxi drivers in Lagos, therefore all taxi drivers are rude. Secondly, emotional reasoning. This fallacy uses emotions such as fear, pity, anger, or, or sympathy instead of logical evidence to persuade people. For example, if you truly care about your family, you must buy this product. Thirdly, I'll be talking about ad hominem fallacy. This occurs when someone attacks the person making an argument instead of addressing the argument itself. For example, don't listen to his opinion on education. He failed mathematics.
Rules of logic in contemporary Nigerian society. Logic plays an important role in shaping decisions, beliefs, and actions in Nigerian society. It helps individuals think clearly, avoid deception, and make informed judgments in different areas of life. Firstly, we have politics, fake promises and propaganda. Example is if a politician promises to create millions of jobs within a short period, a logical thinker will ask how this will be achieved. Secondly, we have social media, fake news and trends. Social media spread information quickly, including false news. Logic helps individuals verify information before believing or sharing it. Thirdly, we have religion, blind belief versus reasoning. Nigeria is highly religious, but some people follow certain teachings without questioning. Logic helps individuals balance faith and reasoning and avoid manipulation. Fourthly, we have education, critical thinking. Logic improves students' ability to think critically, solve problems, and analyze information in school. And lastly, we have relationship, assumption and misunderstanding. Many conflicts arise from wrong assumptions. Logic helps people communicate clearly and avoid misunderstanding. Example, instead of assuming someone is upset, a logical person asks questions to understand the situation.
Yeah. My name is Awojomi Fatima Oluwanifemi. In conclusion, logic plays an important role in helping people think clearly, evaluate arguments, and make better decisions in everyday life. It helps individuals avoid deception, identify weak reasoning, and develop critical thinking skills. Therefore, encouraging the study and application of logic in schools and society will promote truth, understanding, and responsible decisions in contemporary Nigerian society. Thank you.